Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin in Settings. Open General, then iPhone Storage to see what consumes space and why. Tap the biggest app to view documents and data and offload options. Once done, enable iCloud Photos or temporarily turn off full resolution uploads to remove local copies. Make sure to back up now so you can safely delete originals. This first pass removes obvious heavy apps and media fast and sets safe restore points so you won't lose anything important. You'll target media and caches next. Open Photos and use large attachments or filter by size to delete videos over 100 MB. Then check Messages, remove big threads or attachments. Long press and delete or use Edit to select multiple. Make sure to clear Safari history and website data, and if an app still shows huge documents and data, delete and reinstall it to purge cache. Also inspect music, podcasts, and maps for offline content, and remove anything you no longer need. Finish by restarting your iPhone and returning to iPhone storage to confirm space was reclaimed. This often forces the system to recalc usage. If storage hasn't budged, make sure iOS is up to date, then repeat offload or reinstall steps for stubborn apps. If problems persist, restore from your recent backup or, as a last resort, perform a factory reset and restore to clear unseen system caches. Troubleshooting tip: if storage spikes, check Mail and Photos for hidden attachments or duplicates.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.